2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 8,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, seat massage, heated side view mirrors. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.